Hey, Sendsparkers, it's me, Silena, and I bet you're wondering how you can share your videos. Maybe I won't bet you anything, but if you're wondering how you can share your videos, I'm here to show you. So sharing videos is super simple. Once you are done creating your video, it's going to take you to this video landing page as you see here. Once you're done customizing and getting everything the way you want it to look, adding your thumbnail, then you'll simply hit share video. And what's nice about this is that it's going to give you multiple options. So you have a quick option to share your video with one-to-one email platforms, for example. So again, that's like quick email. All you have to do is click on this copy animated thumbnail and then pop this into Gmail. If you're using Outlook, for example, then you will want to use this copy still thumbnail. If you are sharing through Teams or some kind of a messenger system, even in LinkedIn, then you can hit this copy link and it'll copy just the link itself. And of course, we have some download options. But if you are going to embed in an email platform, then you do have that option as well. And this is great because this is going to embed in an HTML version, and it's great for different email marketing platforms such as MailChimp, HubSpot, and the ones that you see here on the screen. So very simple stuff. Just copy the code and then pop that into the HTML snippet part, and you are good to go. If you have questions, of course, feel free to reach out to us anytime at help.sendspark.com, and we'll be happy to help you. And until then, I hope you guys enjoy using Sendspark, and happy recording. Bye.